Everyone thinks the best-selling tuner for the 5.3 Silverado is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Genapendex AFM-DFM Disabler. Let's kick things off with the Genapendex AFM-DFM Disabler. Priced at $63.20, this device instantly caught my eye due to its promise of easy installation and wide compatibility. If you want a simple solution to disable active fuel management, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Genapendex Disabler plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD port, allowing you to bypass the frustrating V4 mode that can make your truck feel sluggish. It's designed to work with a range of models from 2007 onward, ensuring that your Silverado can perform at its best without any complicated setups. Plus, with over 900 units sold just last month, it seems many are finding it helpful. Now, some people complained about its incompatibility with 10-speed transmission models and the 2022 refresh ones. Here's the thing though, if your model falls within the compatible range, this little gadget could revolutionize your driving experience without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward way to enhance your truck's power without any complex installations. Skip this one if your Silverado is a newer model with a 10-speed transmission or if you're not comfortable with plug-and-play devices. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more performance control. Product number 2, Max Cylinder AFM Disabler. Next up is the Max Cylinder AFM Disabler, priced at $189.61. What caught my attention is its lifetime warranty and the promise to eliminate that annoying engine shudder when switching modes. If you want a more premium option that guarantees smooth performance, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why you should care. This disabler not only keeps your engine in full V8 mode, but also enhances your driving experience by maintaining the powerful sound of your exhaust system. It's designed for most Chevy Silverado models from 2007 to 2020, and the ease of installation means you won't need to worry about any professional help. Plus, with over 400 units sold recently, it seems it's gaining traction among drivers. Now, some users have mentioned it can be pricier than alternatives. But I'll be real with you, for the quality you're getting, especially with that warranty, it's a worthy investment if you want to enjoy your truck to the fullest. This is perfect for you if you prioritize performance and reliability. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or have a newer model that it doesn't support. You're getting solid value for your money here. Now, if the price of the Max Cylinder bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, BELZAR AFM Disabler. Coming in at $63.20, the BELZAR AFM Disabler is another plug-and-play option that's caught the attention of many. I love its user-friendly design and the assurance of compatibility with a wide range of GM engines. If you want something easy to install that doesn't compromise your vehicle's warranty, this is something you should check out. What makes this disabler stand out is its ability to keep your engine in full V8 mode, eliminating that sluggish feeling associated with the 4-cylinder mode. The installation is incredibly straightforward. Just plug it into your OBD port and you're good to go. It's already received positive feedback from over 100 buyers in the past month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. However, a few customers have pointed out issues with compatibility for the latest models. But here's the thing, if you own an older Silverado, this could easily be the best solution without the hassle of complex setups. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-fuss solution to enhance your Chevy truck's performance. Skip this one if you have a 2019 Plus model, as it won't work with those newer engines. It offers great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something that really dives deep into tuning, keep watching for the next one. Product number 4, Chatbrid AFM Disabler. Next on the list is the Chatbrid AFM Disabler, also priced at $63.20. I found it intriguing since it promises a permanent full-cylinder mode for your V6 or V8 GM engines. If you're looking for something that can enhance performance while extending engine life, you might want to keep listening. What's great about the Chatbrid is its ability to eliminate AFM-DFM issues while boosting torque, which is a significant plus if you're hauling or towing. It's designed to seamlessly plug into your OBD-CAI port and is safe for your vehicle's ECU, meaning you can unplug at any time to revert to stock settings. With consistent sales of over 100 in the past month, it's clearly resonating with drivers who want reliability. Now, some users have said that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get it plugged in, it's pretty straightforward. So if you're not super tech-savvy, just take it slow and you'll be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a simple yet effective way to maximize your truck's potential. Skip this if you're looking for a feature-rich tuning solution or have a model that's not supported. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're searching for something with more advanced features, let's talk about the final product. Product number 5, Diablo Sport 80 200 in Tune i3. Finally, we have the Diablo Sport 80 200 in Tune i3 coming in at $495.46. This one caught my attention due to its advanced tuning capabilities and dyno-tested performance programs. If you're serious about maximizing your truck's performance, this is definitely a top contender. Why does this matter? It also comes with options for firm shift TCM settings, which can make a world of difference in how your truck responds. Priced higher than the others, it's backed by a solid reputation and has been purchased by 50-plus buyers recently, highlighting its effectiveness. However, some might find the price steep compared to simpler options. But here's the thing, if you're looking to customize and optimize your driving experience, this investment could pay off in performance gains and driving enjoyment. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast who wants full control over your truck's performance. Skip this if you're just looking for a quick fix and aren't interested in tuning. It's a premium product that delivers serious results if you're willing to spend. In summary, we've seen a mix of options, from budget-friendly plug-and-play devices to advanced tuners that require a bit more investment but promise significant performance upgrades. To wrap it up, we covered 5 standout tuners for your 5.3 Silverado today. The Gen Apendex and BLZAR are great choices if you want something easy on the wallet. The Max Cylinder and Chatbrid provide a nice balance of performance without too much fuss. And for those serious about performance tuning, the Diablo Sport is a fantastic option. Each has its place, depending on what you need. No matter which one you choose, you'll definitely feel the difference in your ride.